Hello everyone, welcome to Fixyypedia, where we try to solve your problems, we try to troubleshoot your problem through live sessions of troubleshooting your problems. We solve PC crashes, we solve Roblox problem, we also solve Minecraft problems. So if you have any kind of problem, if you have any kind of issues on your PC, then let us know. We'll try to troubleshoot in the live session, or we'll try to read comments like we are doing right now and upload a video of your problem, of your solution. So let us see what we get now. So my Xbox controller connects to my PC and Windows says it connected, but none of the buttons do anything in my game. Okay, if the Windows sees the controller but the game doesn't respond, we need to separate the controller connection from the game's input system. Then first press the Windows R, type joy plus cpl, and then check whether the controller appears there or whether the buttons actually register when you test them. If they work there, the controller itself is communicating with the Windows. Then to check the game controller settings. If you're launching if you are launching the game through Steam input can also change how the controller is represented in the game. So check whether the Steam input is enabled or disabled for the specific title. So try to fix it as I said, and let us know in the comments if it's fixed or not. Thank you for watching Fixyypedia.